Hi. So we've just completed this workshop for makeup biography. Along with me is the team. We'll take their feedback in terms of how the workshop was and what their key takeaways has been. Over to Anand.
Hi. So, quite many points are clear to me. Till now, we were thinking as an GT, and now it's quite clear like the base, the foundation has to be much stronger, especially the backend team, before approaching any franchisee. So, we will definitely work on those numbers, those structures, before coming to a conclusion. Like example, we have finalized like 400 square feet and 800 square feet.
Yes.
So these are the area. Now, according to this square feet of area, all the things has to match this.
Yes.
So that's a major takeaway because it's a first session.
Yeah.
So I don't want to say that I've understood all the things.
I'm sure.
Yeah, but I got a way, where in the way which I have to think, the thought process has to be.
Absolutely. Great. Over to you.
Hi, thanks Amit. It was good session, actually brainstorming session it was, maybe I should say. Many doubts and most of them were clear. At least we got a way now where we are and how we should proceed now.
Yes.
At least.
Yes.
For the now session it was too much to handle now actually because we were something else and it is going something else now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So good session.
Yeah.
Maybe we work on this matter and we go better and better on this.
Yes.
Ultimate our goal is to gain more franchises on the board.
Absolutely.
I think our frame of mind is much clear now.
Yeah.
So from here, how we think,
Yes.
the approach will be very different, entirely different in that.
Yes.
So the next meeting you will find out.
Surely, surely. Yes, so franchising looks different on the outward. You all have dabbled with franchising in some formats, and I've been talking to different investors, different people who want to join your business. So this should give you a very good, solid foundation to now start thinking in a unified direction. We've discussed a lot of things that we need to complete, a lot of action points I've given you. So once we start working on that, at least our roadmap is now clear.
Yes.
At least our path forward is clear. It might be different than what you were thinking when we started off, but it surely is a very, very time-tested, proven method of getting there. So once you start working on this, I'm sure Makeup Biography will be a very, very successful, probably the first of its kind in India, like what we've done a lot of other things which were first of its kind. Hopefully this also is a great franchise success story that we can build. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thanks.